Alright guys, we finally got a video back for you on the channel. It's been a little bit, what, since last week Thursday, or I think Thursday maybe. Yeah. But anyways, we got the Warrior in this video. This is gonna be featuring the Warrior. We spent, I don't know, how many hours do you think you spent on it, buddy?
I probably took the carb off good 25 times.
Yeah, we've been messing with the jetting and trying to chase this thing around for the last couple, ever since we got it, basically.
Yeah, well, it ran good right when we got it. But
and then the pipe, we tried to jet for the pipe, and it's just been a hell of a mess.
Yeah, definitely.
Since we've been messing with it. But if you guys are having problems with your Yamaha Warrior sputtering in the mid-range, sputtery mid-range, guys, I'm telling you right now, check the float height. Very important. Very important. Float height means a lot on these Warriors. Apparently, we found that out the hard way.
Yeah.
We were messing with the needle clip position, main jet. We went up, down, side to side.
Exhaust.
We tried different discs.
Main jet.
We tried no discs in the exhaust.
Open air box.
Open air box, choke on, rich, lean, you name it. And it was just the float height all along. Scully's like, you know what? I'm not going to go to bed until I figure this out, he says.
Nope, I said.
So he spent a couple hours, and he calls me up after he got running. He's like, I just bent the hell out of that float tang and leaned it out and good to go. I think it was just flooding itself.
No, it wasn't getting enough fuel.
Wasn't getting enough?
I had to drop it down because it would close up too high. So it was.
Yeah, that means that you're leaning it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, he leaned it out. It sounded like it was getting too much because it would always dribble out the overflow like it was too much. And now it's been good. You guys can see we put a fuel filter in line just because we didn't know what was in the tank before, and we weren't sure if we were getting particulate from our fuel line in the bowl. So we have new fuel line and a filter, and it's been running really good. I just drove it, and night and day difference the last time I drove it. It was terrible. Oh, yeah. It's got plenty of power, sounds good. You may want to start it up and maybe take it for a little rip. I'll try to get some third-person shots, but it's idling nice, and it's not, I wouldn't say it's absolute 100% from the factory 96 good.
12 discs in the exhaust. Figure that I took out 12.
But there's 12 discs in the exhaust for Super Trap. Spark arrestor is still in the exhaust as well. Yeah, it sounds nice. So have you tried wheelies on it yet?
It still sputters a little bit because it's just got so much more power.
Before it was just pop, 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 sputtery like crazy. We ruled out all the, electrical problems, and, they have the rev limiter and the parking brake and the reverse ground on the reverse lever. We got that. I even put a new connector, cleaned up the connection on that. A lot of the Warrior guys will know what I'm talking about. If you don't have a Warrior, obviously you don't know what I'm talking about. But it's a common thing on Electrical Nightmare on the Warrior, so. Off into the sun. There's a little backfire out of her today. That could be rich or lean, possibly. One of the two. Or part of the exhaust. Doing that as well. Could play a part. Man, it's been a while since we had some content. Cars coming up on the right. But all is good in Warrior land. Same with the pitters, except for Sparky's SSR. Sparky's SSR blew his front tire, I believe, so we're tubing it currently. So yeah, we're doing that. Mint or what? Sounds like a 400EX kinda. Definitely. I don't know much difference in the sound. They sound pretty similar. Damn. Oh, Oh, he almost went over. Darn. I got these damn freaking bugs around me right now, guys. Hard on the bugs right now. What a goddamn shame. I'm getting eaten by bugs. Damn. Oh yeah. I think that's going to be it for the video. I just wanted to show you guys a quick clip of the old Warrior finally back up in action after hours of jetting issues. And we finally found out there was the float height. So keep that in mind if you guys are going to be messing with Warriors. And any jetting in general. Just kind of keep the float height in mind. So. And electrical things too, because you could chase yourself and think it's a carb problem, and it's probably electrical too. So make sure. Yeah, that was nice. He said it was in 5th gear. So he's going to try in 6th gear, apparently. I don't know how good this is going to go, boys. This might be a bad idea. We'll cross that bridge when we get to it. No. 60 does not have enough mustard. Just the gear ratio is just way too low. It's like 1-to-1 or less. But yeah, Warrior's good. We'll try to get some more content out. I'm going to be trying to get a lot more videos out for you guys now. Even a little rev batch. Yeah, she sounds good. Oh yeah. Alright guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like the video if you enjoyed. Comment down below anything you have thoughts about, you know, Warrior, pit bikes, whatever. And we'll see you guys in the next video.